Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if you haven't and this is your first time, awesome. I am so glad you're here. So today, or tonight actually, I'm moving things around. So I am going to show you my summer Fab Fit Fun box. And this is, I don't know why I said it so slow, because I think if I say it fast, it doesn't come out right. Anyway, I'm going to show you my box. This is a subscription box, and it's going to be lifestyle products. So not just beauty, it's going to be a little bit of everything. And like I said, this is the summer box. It comes out 4 times a year, and I'm going to have a link below if you want to get $10 off your first box. So they're normally $50 or $49.99. Every quarter, and on your first one you can take $10 off, and your value is going to be over $200. It's all full-size products and it's a nice assortment. There are some things that you can actually select, like they give you, do you want this or this, and you can go on the website and kind of customize your box. And then there are some things that just everyone gets and some surprises. So all right, I will show you my box. And by the way, just in case this ends abruptly or you hear crazy sounds, I am in Kansas City and it's actually the middle of the night now and we're going through a crazy storm right now. So, what else is there to do but film a video? Anyway, so my box, oh, let me pick it up. I thought I already showed it to you. Woo! So it's a nice big box. As you can see, you're kind of seeing already what's in there, so it's not going to be a huge surprise, but that's all right. I'm just going to walk through the products real quick. So the first thing you get, it's a little magazine that kind of talks about, the inspiration behind the seasons collection and this and that and all that good stuff. And then this month I got a couple little gift cards, gift certificates. It's kind of like, however much off for different things. One is, what is it? Yeah, so this is the FabFitFun code, which will be in the comments. And then the other one is HelloFresh, $80 off something. So I guess it's $20 off your first 4 deliveries. I've never tried anything like that. I've thought about it, but I just haven't. But that might be a good way to do it. So the first thing and the reason I had to subscribe to this and order the box is because they have some of my favorite products. Sol de Janeiro. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw me post a few weeks ago. But I am obsessed with this stuff. So the Boom Boom Cream is how I say it. I don't know if that's how you say it. Or Bum Bum, whatever. So this stuff right here smells delicious and it's just so, so nice. It has a very little like sparkle, I would say. I love putting this on my legs, on my arms sometimes too. And this gigantic thing is the body wash, which smells the same way. I have a bunch of these. This right here I've also used, but I only had the little travel sizes because I'm too cheap to buy the full size. But basically these two more than pay for the value of the entire box. And just so you believe the level of my obsession, so this is part of my current stash, the gigantic one, and here's a baby one, and I've already finished a few. Yeah, and like I said, I do love this stuff. So I have the spray, and I have the little mini spray, and a lot of other things from that line. So anyway, that's the first thing. That's what sold me. That's why I had to get it. And I believe as of the time that I'm filming this video, this box is still available. So if you love that stuff, that was one of the options, so I actually selected that. Then the next thing that sold me on this box was the Living Proof Nourishing Styling Cream. This is great. I've actually tried this before. I had some samples from Sephora or somewhere else, and this is something that you put on your hair once you get out of the shower. If you deal with frizz on a regular basis, this is really good for it. It's also expensive. I don't remember how much it is if you buy it, normally, but I just knew it was a good deal to get it. And this right here, it's a 4-ounce size, so it should, last you a little bit. And then these things are also awesome. The Invisi Bubbles. These are, you get 6, 3 nude, 3 clear, and these are like this hair ties that you can use. I actually already have some. I don't know where they are, but I already have some, and that's what I've been using for the last few months. So to get a few more was great. Then I got this Kula makeup setting spray, and it has 30 SPF, so it would be a great makeup spray or setting spray for the summer. And I'm trying to open it because I don't have any setting spray with SPF. So this will be the first one. Oh Lord, the little packaging is crazy. It's like really in there. Maybe one day. You know what? If I'm able to get it out of here, maybe I can use it. Don't you think? Okay. Okay. That was easy. There's something making noise in here. Okay, so it has balls. So it's a glass bottle, which is kind of fancy. And it has balls in there, like little metal balls. I don't know if they're like to dissolve something or just for fun. Balls are fun, I guess. So yeah, excited to try this. I don't have any feedback on this product. I've never seen it. I didn't know it existed. But I know this brand is a good brand. So, and I can't get it back in there. I don't know what the hell they did with those little cutouts. So I got that. And then this thing, I'm like spitting because I'm talking so fast. Generation Clay Brightening Purple Clay Mask. I love masking, so we'll definitely give this a try. What does it say? Apply it to dry skin. Wait 10 minutes until the mask starts to tighten. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, great. Refine, brighten, illuminate, and nurture. I would love to do all those things to my face, so I will definitely be trying that. Then the other thing that I got is this spray. It's a spray all day. I already ripped the plastic because I was trying to do that off camera. From Grace and Stella. I've never heard of this brand before, but it seems like a really big bottle. Spray all day, rose spray, hydrating rose facial spray. So excited about this. I love facial sprays. I love rose stuff. You know, how basic is that, right? I know. Everybody does. But yeah, I think this is fun, especially like in the summer. Oh, and that's so cute. It says good choice, smiley face. Well, I'm so glad you agree. And then the other thing that's in the box, there's a couple more things. This is from the brand Wish, and it's an exfoliating foot mask. Smooths and softens. Intense hydration. Okay. Well, I guess I want smooth feet. So, yeah, especially in the summer, because I do get pedicures regularly, but in the summer you're wearing, you know, your feet are exposed more to the elements and stuff. Let me fix this. And so, yeah, I guess this will be a good thing to try. So, full size again, and it says exfoliate, polish, soothe, and smooth. Okay, so we'll give that a shot. Let's not have nasty feet, people. Whatever it takes, okay? You don't want to be that person with them crusty feet. When I see you walking down the street, I don't want to see that. So please do something. Okay, and then the last couple things. So I told you this was lifestyle, so it's not going to be just beauty stuff. This is called the Indigo Tie-Dye Bowls. It's a set of 3 from West Elm, which I think is a fancy store. I think I've heard of it before. I saw these and these look cute. I know some people use them, you know, for food, but some people are actually using them to store things, which is probably what I'll end up doing with them. Try to pull them out without breaking them. So here it is, blue and white, and the other 2 are in there, and it's slightly different patterns, I believe, but they're all kind of, you know, coordinate and go together. So that's cute. And then the last thing. Did you hear this thunder? It came in this bag, pink bag, and it's this. It's 2 like wine glasses, but they're like, ooh, they're soft. They're silicone. So if you drop your wine because you be a drunk bitch, then it's fine because you're not gonna break it. I mean, you're still gonna drop your wine, spill it, and that's gonna be a sad moment, but at least you won't break your glass. So I got 2. So yeah, super excited about this box. I mean, you know, I don't know exactly what the total value is, but it's way more than $49.99, or in my case, $39.99 that I ended up paying for it because I used the code for the first $10 off the first box. So I think this is a steal. It's definitely a lot of cool stuff that's, you know, season appropriate, so it's perfect for summer. And yeah, I think it's fun. I mean, I've been watching this box for a long time, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna sign up and get it because I will end up spending $50 over the next quarter on a ton of random stuff, and this box has some really good picks. So anyway, that is all I got. I will put my link on the box, you know, the box below, so you can use that link and get $10 off your first box. And like I said, I think you can still snag the summer box. So I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much. Bye.